Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut Keyframe tutorial PC and mobile. So here I'll be giving a full tutorial on how to use the keyframe on CapCut. So here at CapCut, there is a keyframe. So first I'm going to teach you at PC, then I'm going to go to mobile. So to do this, um, the keyframe, to locate it on your PC when you're using CapCut to PC, just click on the video or image and of that. And then here you will see transform right here. So here's the keyframe right there. So now we're gonna add a image. So we're gonna add this one. So have you ever wondered how do they do the cat stuff? The cat say black, cat say yeah. How do they move that? So here I'm gonna teach you. All you need to do is get yourself the image right here that you want to move or maybe expand or maybe whatever. Just click on the keyframe to start right here. The start. First click on that, and then when you're gonna move it, then click over here. Then move it to whichever you want him or her to go, right there. Then next, if you want to move it right here, just move your keyframe right here. Because if not, it's just gonna stay here right there. Move it right here, this one right here. Then click on keyframe. Then move it your cat right there. Then move your it right here. Then click on the keyframe. Don't forget. Then move your cat right there. So now when we're gonna watch it, 3, 2, 1, go. Doink, doink, doink. It also works on expanding. So let's say he's gonna go in the middle, like that. You gotta transform. There you go. And then he's gonna expand. So there you go. So once you play, doink, 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 doink. There you go. As you can see right there. There you go. As you can see, works like that. Now we're just gonna, let's say, oopsie. Now let's say you want to change the color or something like that. Just go right here. You can change the color if you want or something like that, or maybe take all this. Yeah, you can do that if you want, and then just click on the keyframe right there. Then change the color, size, or any of this right here. So yeah, and you can also add animations like flash, for instance. That you can add it right that. So now there you go. Now you can also add keyframes on audios. We're gonna get the audio right here. So let's say we're gonna use a free audio right here. Uh, let's, let's say this one right there. Oh my gosh, that's so loud for super loud. Lower the volume. Oh, later I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna open this part right here. Then let me try it. Oh wait, right there. I think this one's. Oh yeah, that's the one. Alright, so now let's say the audio's right here. Then we're just gonna add right here the keyframe. Then move it right over here. Bap. Let's say right there. Then now we're gonna lower the volume down to nothing. Now we're gonna put the keyframe back right here. Bap. And then we're gonna lower up, move our volume up. As you can see right there, it made like a small like gap like that that goes up then down. I meant up then down then up. Watch. There you go. You can also do that with the keyframe. As you can see, you can make it much more higher, make it much more lower with the keyframe. For example, let's say like. Yeah, there you go. Then you can add another keyframe right there to make it this part a little bit high. Then say add another keyframe to it right here. Right there, then make this um, much lower. Like that. There you go. So once you play it, there you go. As you can see, you can also put keyframes right there and audios and stuff. So yeah, you can do that. And I'm gonna give you a few tips. let's say you want the background with this thing also moving with it. So all you can do is just get the background and get the character right there. Get the character, get the background. We're gonna put the background right here. Now all we can do is just right click and then let's see, right click like that and then create compound. As you can see right there. As you can see right there, you do that. We're gonna remove the sounds. Now we have two cats right here. Now to do this is we're just gonna, as you can see right here, we have another image right here. Now we can also add a keyframe even if it has already a keyframe. So this is gonna look very trippy. Watch this. So let's say this has already a keyframe. Let's say just there. So when you play it, watch it. It's gonna look so trippy as you can see like that. It's like that. Now when you're gonna add another keyframe, so right there, click right here. You're gonna move it like that. Or then add another keyframe right here. Move it like that. Then add another keyframe right here. Move it like that. Then add another keyframe right here. Move it like that. Let's make it small. Then there you go. Okay, now we're gonna watch it. 3, 2, 1, go. See, as you can see, it's like super trippy. There you go. As you can see. So also the image works. There we go. It still moves like inside, but there you go. As you can see like that. So yeah, there you go, guys. You can also and a quick tip for you guys before I go. This is best suited for like you're explaining something to travel, something like that. Show them the map, show them the trains or wherever. Yeah, it's best suited for those kinds of things. And of course, when you're doing animation, like a moving animation, like for example, like a TikTok stuff, like cat say black, cat say blue, and this blah blah, and the cats need to move. Yeah, that's the best thing to use this for. So yeah, there you go, guys. Keyframe. Now we're gonna move to our phone.
So as you can see right now, I am here at my phone, and here at my phone, I'm not gonna record. I'm not gonna do the example because I think CapCut is gonna, it's gonna stop me again. It's gonna freeze my screen, and it won't move again. Now to do this, to find the keyframe right here, just click on that, and then here on the right corner, you will see right there, on the next to the undo, we just click on that, and then just do what I did earlier in the PC. Then choose right here which word you want to move. Say you're gonna move it right here, and then I don't know if you guys see this or what. Then move it like that. You can also expand it if you want, like there, like that. So there you go. So when we play it, watch it. Okay, now we're gonna watch it. There you go. As you can see, like it's like the same thing as a PC if you want to change anything the color. So yeah, there you go, guys. And just do what I did and just follow what I did. You can do it. You can do what I did in the PC here also on your phone. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.